In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a donation form to a Wix website step by step. This is perfect if you're running a nonprofit, a charity project, a personal cause, or even a business that wants to accept contributions directly on your site. The best part is that this method is built right into Wix, so you don't need any coding or external tools to get started. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Wix tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Wix, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, open the Wix Studio editor for the website where you want to add the donation form. This will take you directly into the editing interface where you can customize your site. Make sure you're on the correct page where you want visitors to see the donation form, such as a donate page or homepage section. Next, look at the left side of the Wix editor and click on Add Elements. This is where Wix keeps all the components you can add to your website, including forms, buttons, images, and payment options. When the Add Elements panel opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click inside that search bar and type the word Payments. As soon as you type Payments, Wix will start showing related options. From the list, find and click on Forms and Payments. This section includes built-in tools that allow you to accept payments directly through your website, including donation forms. Now, browse through the available options until you find the donation form or a suitable payments form. Once you've found it, click on Add to Site. Wix will then prompt you to confirm adding the payment feature to your website. Go ahead and click on Agree and Add. This step is important because it allows Wix to enable payment functionality on your site. After the form is added, you'll see it appear directly on your page. You can now click on the donation form to customize it. From here, you can adjust the design, change text labels, set suggested donation amounts, and customize the currency. You'll also want to connect a payment method, such as PayPal, Stripe, or another payment provider supported by Wix, so you can actually receive donations. Make sure to preview your site to see how the donation form looks from a visitor's perspective. Test the form to ensure everything works correctly before publishing your site. Once you're happy with how it looks and functions, click Publish to make the donation form live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully added a donation form to your Wix website. This is a simple but powerful way to collect donations directly from your audience. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.